Paulo Mendoza, ang 5'11" shooting guard ng Santa Lucia Realtors. Mendoza was picked first overall by Santa Lucia in 2000 PBA Rookie Draft. Hanggang ngayon, nananatili pa rin si Paulo sa PBA, mainly because of his shooting prowess. Kaya naman ngayon, sa ating payong basketballista, tuturuan tayo ni Mr. Paulo Mendoza ng right and proper way of shooting the ball.
Tuturo ko yung proper mechanics ng basic mechanics ng free throw shooting. So first, ang unang mechanic ng free throw shooting is find the center of the ring. Kasi if you find the center of the ring, that's where you put your right foot and point it there. Para yan ang maging guiding line mo sa shooting mo. So once nalagay mo na ron, take your form. Ang usual form ng shooting is L yan dapat. Usually, nasa L. Tapos may open view ka ng ring, hindi nakaharang, hindi naka one eye lang, dapat open. Both eyes can see the ring. Tapos once ang hold naman ng bola, shouldn't be flat. Shouldn't be flat. Merong kailangan space between the palm and the ball. So parang kinigrip mo ng ganito ang bola. So once you put your right foot there, ang pinakamagandang guide sa mga first time na gagawa is yung elbow nyo, siko nyo, lagay nyo rito sa right beside your hip dito. Kasi tamang form na yan, nakaguide na kagad yan. Once na inangat mo yan, L form na yan. Tapos guide, yung left hand nyo should be a guide, hindi dapat yan ginigrip ang bola. Only the right hand will be gripping the ball. So isa lang ang nagpo-control ng bola. So itong left, support lang yan, guide lang yan. Once na nandiyan na yung bola, either you put it here, nasa sa inyo yan, you put it here, kung saan kayo comfortable as long as you have the view of the ring. Once na nagawa nyo na yung form nyo, pag-release nyo, one hand release, ito support lang, pag-release nyo ng ganyan, pag-release nyo, may proper arc, hindi dapat flat, maganda dapat ang arc ng bola nyo. Don't worry about the spin. Don't worry about the spin. Basta maganda arc ng bola nyo. And ang pinaka-importante, yung power ng tira nyo shouldn't be magagaling sa arms. Kailangan magaling sa legs. May tendency na ma-off track doon sa line na gusto mong puntahan yung bola. So kung dito sa legs, ang power, yung bend or then shoot. Pag shoot na ganyan, don't forget the follow through. So once I shoot it, huwag mo gaganyan, huwag mo na-drop yung ball, kamay mo, agad hindi pupasok yung bola or agad hindi tumatama sa ring yung bola, nakaganyan ang kamay mo sa follow through kung saan mo gusto papuntahin yung ball. So ganun lang ka-basic yung free throw shoot. At siyempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng to, yung practice. Sa practice, makukuha mo lahat ng form na yan until na maging ano na lang sa'yo, instinct, normal na lang hanggang sa pumunta ka sa free throw, hindi mo na dapat isipin yung mga bagay na yan. Automatic na and pati yung shooting mo, automatic na rin. So, sa practice rin, magkakaroon ka ng confidence.
Alam nyo bang high school pa lang si Kuya Paulo, certified scoring machine na siya sa UPIS? Nakapagtala nga siya ng 69 points noon. At nung college na siya sa UP, umiscore siya ng 48 points na wala pang nakakabura hanggang ngayon.
Pagdating sa 3 points naman, there are two types. Either you're pwede kang set shot or jump shot. Pero basically, ang form is almost the same. Meaning, keep an open view of the ring and the form of your hands. Yung ito hanggang dito sa ano mo, is an L. Pero maraming nagsasabi rin kasi na hindi naman kailangan ganun as long as you're comfortable. Okay lang yun. Basta ang pinaka-importante rin lang sa akin yung grip ng bola. Diyan marami nagkakamali kasi once you put it na near your palm, nawawala na yung control ng bola. So mas maganda, medyo grip mo siya at may space talaga yung ball sa palm. So sa 3-point shooting, yun nga, meron tayo tinatawag na set shot. So a set shot basically is a set shot. So pasa. A set shot is naka-form ka na, then you take your time and shoot it. Yan ang set shot. Okay? Yan ang set shot. Taking your time, naka-form ka na. Set shot. Ito yung set shot. Set shot. Jump shot takes a lot more power kasi sa jump shot you need to jump more than a set shot. Saka quick shot yun. That's quicker shot than a set shot. So, may rhythm yan. They call it 1-2. 1-2 yun ang 1-2 rhythm. That's, ang 1-2 is 1. If, for example, ano ko right-hand ako right-handed ako. It's just like taking a layup. If you're a right hand, so strong hand mo is syempre right. So when you're taking a layup, ang take-off leg mo is the left leg. So di ba kapag layup ka, left, take off. So ito yung parang pinaka-strong leg mo. So sa jump shot, parang ganun din. Ito yung pinaka-strong leg mo, but both feet, ang sa'yo, ang the jump shot, hindi naman. This is just a guide. So, sinasabi ng 1-2, 1, 2, then take the shot. Or, right? Importante rito, I forgot to tell you, the balance. Kailangan balansyado ka sa jump shot mo. Kasi pag di ka balansyado, kung saan ang forma ng katawan mo, doon pupunta yung bola. If nakaganyan ka o nakaganyan ka, syempre mas difficult yung shot. But balansyado ka, mas maging accurate. So, basic lang na basic exercise. Throw mo yung bola like this. Get it 1, 2, and then shoot it. Keep your form, keep the follow. That's the jump shot. So, kailangan ito jump shot. Ganyan, 1, 2. Don't release your follow through hanggang hindi papasok yung bola or hindi ka matama na. So, sa set shot naman, you don't have to do the 1-2. That's why it's a set shot. You already have your form here, your balance. Everything is balanced. So, just throw the ball. Then, it doesn't have to be a quick shot. That's why it's a set shot. Compared sa jump shot na medyo mas quicker sa set shot. So, at both cases, lahat ng power ng tira mo is sa legs magagaling, wala nang iba. Siyempre may onting help ng hands or ng elbows or ng shoulders, but more siguro 80% or 70% sa legs dapat magaling. So yan ang mga tips sa legs, power, art, and follow. And siyempre, practice. Yan ang pinakamahal. That's it.
Matuto ng mga basketball tips mula sa mga sikat. Dito lang sa Payong Basketballista.